Ma'am, first can we go with quiz and then with the chapter?
No, first we supposed to complete the rest of the property so that we can start our exercise. Children, don't at last we will go with quiz. Some interesting patterns in that we discussed many. There is one more interesting, a sum of consecutive natural numbers. If you sum up, suppose let me take 3 square. 3 square can be written as 9. 9 can be written as how, children? 4 plus 5. Yes or no, children? 4 plus 5. So here what you are supposed to take, suppose if I want to take a first number, let me see the second number, 5 square. 5 square can be written as 25. 25, how we supposed to write as a consecutive
Ma'am, you
number?
said the sentence before this formula, ma'am. Can
Yes.
you repeat it again?
Yes, yes, children. What is that? A sum of consecutive natural numbers, children. The heading is you have to take as a sum of consecutive natural numbers. How we supposed to write? We can see square numbers. Consecutive natural numbers. Suppose 4 plus 5 can be written as 3 square. The same way 12 plus 13 can be written as 5 square. Let me write, children. This is also, we can use these techniques, all these things to finding your squares. Why we are learning means 7 square. 7 square can be written as any one of you. 7 square is 49. How we suppose? How
25 plus 24.
24 plus
24 plus 25.
25.
25.
Okay, 24 plus 25. The same way I'll write more so that you can understand what is the inner formula behind this. Yes, 9 square can be written as 81. 81 can be written as
40 plus 41.
40 plus 41, so that 11 square, you see 11 square, 121,
60 plus 61.
60,
Ma'am, what is the help of this?
yeah,
Actually, I think we did this now.
already completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, we did this.
I remember doing 40 plus 41, 60 plus 61, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am, what is
Yes,
the
ma'am,
use
we
of
did
this?
we
this.
will just recall and we'll go ahead, children. 169,
69.
169 can be written as
85 plus 84 plus 85.
Yes, ma'am.
84 plus 85. Sorry, it's a consecutive numbers. Consecutive means continuous numbers, Nana. 15 square can be written as
One after another.
225. 225 can be written as 112.
112 and 130.
Now you have to see. If you want to get the first number, if you want to get first number, what is happening? If you want to get first number, suppose there are two consecutive numbers are coming every time. In these consecutive numbers, what is the first number? Suppose if you want to find out the first
4
number and
plus
second,
5.
Ma'am, the first number is the half of the number plus 1.
half of the number plus one. Which one half
1.
you are supposed to take here? Suppose if I
Ma'am,
want
first
Ma'am,
we have
suppose,
to
to,
9 minus 1.
Ma'am, first we have to take 1 from the square, ma'am.
okay,
Then we have to divide and we have to add the 1 to the second number.
no, just a minute now. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Sir. Hello, sir.
Ma'am, for new student, I think Wise app you need to approve, ma'am.
Sure, sir. Sure. I'll do that. I'll do that. I just before starting the class, I checked the student, but the student is not putting any request, so that I started my class just now. Okay, sir. I'll see and I'll complete that, so that student can enter
Yeah,
the
please
class.
confirm.
Sure.
Yeah, please confirm me. Once you
Sure.
are done, you send me a message like
Sure,
you have
sir.
accepted.
Okay, right, sir. Right.
Ma'am, what's the use of this exercise?
Yes, we will use to finding in squares and square numbers, how to find square numbers. So everything you can use. Let me. We will go to exercise part so that we can.
ma'am, but in the case of the numbers are even, so how we can do means like 8 squared is 64 and that's an even number.
What is the heading I'm giving? The sum of consecutive natural numbers. You can take consecutive numbers, you can take. Only odd numbers we are considering. Try with even numbers also. What happening you see and tell.
Ma'am, like if
The
we
numbers
take
we cannot do
64,
because odd
it
numbers
comes
we cannot
32 plus
divide by
32.
2.
So can we take, ma'am,
No,
32.4 plus
no,
32.6
that's why.
like
That
that?
is the reason
Ma'am,
I'm
but
not
it's not consecutive, ma'am. But it's not consecutive.
exactly. That's why we are not able to take that. Yes, you understand why we are not taking?
Yes, ma'am.
Only odd numbers can be consecutive.
Yes, odd numbers only we can express. You can take 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. Odd number. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 again you are getting the odd number only. 3 plus 4. Odd number. When you take any two even numbers, 2 plus 2. Sorry, 2 plus 4, it's 6. 2 plus 4 is an consecutive numbers? Yes or no?
No,
Sorry, please mute yourself, dear. Yes, who is that? Who is that, please? Yes, children. This is the way. This is one more way we can use the square numbers. The same way. Come on, please do some exercise sums so that we can do here. If you want to get a lower number, what you are taking? 3 square minus 1 denominator by 2. So 9 square is 8. 8 minus 1 by 2 is 4. Did he join? No. Children, who is there in the classroom? Arush, are you there in the classroom? Arush, there in the classroom? Arush, are you there in the classroom?
ma'am.
Yes or no? Arush, are you there in the classroom? Not Ayush. Arush. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes. Are you there?
ma'am, I'm Satvik, ma'am.
Satvik.
Ma'am, here you wrote 4 is equal to 3 square minus 1 by 2. Ma'am, this formula, does this formula give the first number?
Yeah, first for 4, here the consecutive number, first number we are taking. For second number, if you want to take a second number, how we supposed to use? Can you please tell for the formula, please find for the, shall I take a 3 square plus 1 by 2? Please, 3 square plus 1 by 2, what is the value of 3 square plus 1 by 2?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am. 10 by 2 is equal to 5.
Suppose in this case, please let me know, in this case, if I want the first number, how I supposed to use? Yes,
Hello, ma'am.
please, if I want 112, how I should use this?
Ma'am, 15 square minus 1 by 2.
Very good. 15 square minus 1 by 2. This is the way we can find that numbers also, children, consecutive numbers. Definitely in the examination, they will question you. This is the way we can express the.
Ma'am, the next number will be 15 square plus 1 by 2.
Yes, 113 can be written as 15 square plus 1 by 2. It's really very interesting thing, children. You can express the square numbers of any odd numbers as the sum of two consecutive positive integers. Let me take some examples so that you can understand more easier way why we are learning all these things. Suppose if I want 21 square, let me.
Ma'am, did you start the exercise?
Yes, 21 square. How we supposed to write as a 21 square consecutive numbers, children? Come on.
Excuse me, ma'am,
Shall
did
I
you
just
start
a
the
minute? No, no.
exercise?
21
Ma'am, it is
square minus 1 by 2.
441.
21 square minus 1 by 2 and 20,
Minus 1 by 2.
21 square.
And 21 square plus 1 by 2.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you understand, children. Come on, what are the numbers? Please let me know.
Ma'am, 220 and 221.
220 plus 221. How in the examination they will test means express as a consecutive sum of consecutive natural numbers. Suppose if I want 13 square, 13 square already we wrote. Okay, you see with the 13 square. If I want to express a 13 square as a sum of consecutive natural numbers means, how I supposed to 13 square minus 1 by 2? It's nothing but 169 minus 1 is 168. Half of 168 is, half of 168 is 80?
84.
84 plus 85. Now you can check, go to the earlier bit, 84 and 84. It is very simple number. Okay, this is the way we can find children as a consecutive number. 13 square plus 1 by 2, so that you will get 85. Let me, this is, do you think the reverse also true, children? Please think it. Is it reverse also same?
Ma'am, means
That means suppose if I want 11 square or 19 square, you take 19 square. 19 square can be written as, is it so 19 square can be written as 19 square plus 1 by 2 and 19 square plus minus 1 by 2?
ma'am, that will be predecessor and successor and
Successor.
predecessor. So
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, that's all. That's all. But product, why? Because in order change, if you change the order, if you change the order in addition, but while you're suppose they're asking the first number means if you change like that, what happens, children? If you change like that, you will get absolutely in the answer. So they will give two numbers. Suppose A option they are giving as 19 square plus 1. As a B option also they are giving 19 square minus 1. First number they are asking about consecutive numbers. So in the first number, if you write opposite, you will get
ma'am, it will be -1.
yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. But you have to carefully observe, children, and while you are writing in the examination also, please see that the order also should be followed. That is mandatory. If you are not follow, you can take -1. That's all. Or else, next thing, who is that? Who is that student is doing such things in the classroom? Yes, children. Next, the last but not least, product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. This is, I think, a property number 5. We can go with the product of two consecutive even or odd numbers. I think today one more new student joined. Arish, welcome, my dear. Arish, are you there in the classroom? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello, welcome, my dear. This is math class. I'm Bharati, your math teacher.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself to my students, please, so that
Yes, ma'am.
Arish, come on.
I am 8th grade and my name is Arush and I study in Oak Ridge.
Very good. Good. Right.
Yes.
Is it located in Hyderabad or somewhere? No.
Ma'am, in Hyderabad only, ma'am.
Even or odd natural numbers, please listen, no, so that you can understand that these are the different properties we are discussing. Try to listen and try to understand. There is a product of two consecutive even or odd natural numbers. Even or odd natural numbers. You see, how we supposed to take one example, 11 into 3. 11 and 13. 11 and 13 is what type of numbers, children? Both are consecutive,
Odd
Ma'am, odd
numbers.
numbers.
not even. I think odd numbers.
Consecutive odd
Ma'am,
numbers.
they are odd.
Consecutive odd numbers. So come on, see here. 11 multiplied with 130 plus 130 plus 13 means 143. 143 can be written as 12 square minus 1. Yes, 12 square minus 1. Yes or no, children? 12 square is nothing but 12.
Ma'am means 143.
144.
Yes,
Yes,
Arush.
ma'am.
Right, Arush.
143.
Arush, very good. Good number.
143 plus 144.
Right. Next one, suppose you have to take the same 11 into 13 here. So how we supposed to write 11 children? 12 minus 1. Yes or no? Is it 12 plus 1? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Concept.
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
The same way, can you please 12 multiplied with 14? Can you check for the other numbers like 44? I'm taking the even numbers in this case. 44 and 46. How I supposed to write here?
Ma'am, 44 will be, ma'am,
45
20.
plus 1.
Yes. 44 will be
45 minus 1.
22.
45 plus 1.
Yes, yes. Some student already given the answer. Very good.
Ma'am, it will be 22 into 2, ma'am.
45 minus 1, 45 plus 1. Yes, it becomes a plus a minus b is a plus b identity, children.
Ma'am, it becomes 44 into 46 only.
45 square minus 45 square minus 1. Yes or no, children? 45 square minus 1.
Yes,
Who is
ma'am.
that, please? Follow, mute yourself, follow, please. Children, please try to understand this is a classroom. Once if you are unmuted, many students may, please always you're supposed to mute your mic. If you're not getting, please put a chat box. You can use your chat box. Yes, here suppose if I want to multiply 29 multiplied with what is the consecutive odd number here? 31. How I supposed to write?
30 minus 1 and 30
30
plus
minus
1.
1 into 30 plus
So
1.
shall I write as a 30 square minus
30.
1? Yes or no?
That's the same, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
13 multiplied with 15. How I supposed to write?
14 minus 1
14
and
square.
14 plus
14
1.
minus 1
square
and
minus
14
1.
plus 1.
14 square minus 1.
14 square minus 1.
So it will be 14 square minus 1.
Suppose my question is for children, this is fifth one. 75 multiplied with 77.
Ma'am, 76
70.
square minus 1.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
please listen, children. This will
Yes,
helpful
ma'am.
a lot for you while you are doing your sums. Suppose the sixth bit 8 multiplied with 86 or 86 multiplied with 88.
87 square
87
minus
Ma'am,
1.
87
square.
square minus 1.
Very good. This is the way we can find. This is the use of this property, so that generally we can say
Ma'am, why we are taking as minus 1, ma'am?
general formula. That's why
Ma'am, minus 1 into plus 1, it is minus 1.
Minus 1
you
only.
see, Pallav, first sum I explained here. You see why we are taking here. I explained one bit. 11 can be written as 12 minus 1, 12 plus 1, so that it becomes a plus b into a minus b. Which identity we are using? A square minus b square. That's why I'm writing general formula. If any number a plus 1 we are writing and a minus 1, if you want to multiply these two numbers, any consecutive numbers, consecutive even or odd, whatever the numbers, you can get the answer as a square minus 1. This is very, very important, children. One more important identity. You can use not only here, we will use those things in algebra too. Number patterns are very helpful in algebra also, children. There are different, that's all about this. I am not going much about. You can multiply many things using this. Suppose if I want to multiply with 103 multiplied with 105. What is the value of 103 multiplied in the square number? If I want to represent as a square number,
104 square minus 1.
104 square minus 1.
104 square minus 1. Why these all will...
Ma'am, can we write this? Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pallav.
Ma'am, 1 square is 1 itself, so can we write 104 in minus 1 in whole square?
No, that is a different one. Your question is...
Ma'am, that will become
no,
104
then
square plus 1
is
because the power of the 1 will be even.
what
Ma'am,
is
can't we
no?
do simple
He is asking,
multiplication?
anyway, can we write as this one whole square? Is it correct? No, it is not correct.
No, ma'am, it is not. Minus and minus 1, it will become plus 1.
Yeah, a minus b whole square.
Ma'am, why can't we do multiplication instead of doing this?
Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
why can't we do multiplication?
Yes, we can direct multiplication, but in an examination, how you have to represent as a square number?
Okay, ma'am. So we are
Ma'am,
telling
can you
103
tell?
square into 105
Exactly.
square.
Yes, yes, we are using these. We are using number patterns will help in
So we are
calculating.
doing just one
Ma'am,
square, right?
Yes, yes. 1 square is nothing but 1. That's why I'm writing just whatever the number. Suppose 103 multiplied with 105. You just add the lower number to 1. Make it as a square. Simply you have to subtract 1. Suppose if you want to multiply with the 54 multiplied with 56. What you supposed to do here?
55 square minus 1.
55 square minus 1.
That's all. 55 square minus 1. In squares you are representing. 55 square minus 1. This
Ma'am,
is
we should take the number between them and we should
yeah,
square.
lying between number only you are taking and squaring, and you are subtracting that number one from that. Any doubt?
Ma'am,
Any doubt, Sahu?
ma'am, can you tell the trick for 3-digit squares, as we might be able to do this easily?
Okay.
Ma'am, 3-digit square technique.
Earlier day we discussed already, right? The same thing. Once again, I will. Some other student also perfect. I think Jashmita or Shreyesh. I don't know. I'm not sure. Who are perfect at a 3 by 3 digit square number, student?
Ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes. Sahu.
Ma'am, shall I?
Ma'am, if the question is 75 into 76, ma'am, if there is no gap in the middle.
That's why we are unable to do. This is a property holds good for. This property holds good for consecutive even or odd
Consecutive,
numbers.
even or odd numbers.
This property holds good for only product of two consecutive even or odd whole number. Next, some more patterns you have to see, children. Just I'm writing on that different patterns. Just you have to observe and give the expand the pattern. 1 square, 11 square. Yes, this you are learning from your lower classes. Triple 1 square.
Ma'am, I know this, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
square is 1, ma'am. 11 square is 121, ma'am. Triple 1 square is
1
150.
2 1 2 1 and then 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 like that it will be.
Very
No,
good.
ma'am. It is
1 square is 1. 11 square is 1 to 1.
121.
121.
Uh,
Then 1
1
2 1
1
2
2
1
1 2 1
1 2 1 2.
1 to
1 2 1
3, ma'am.
1 to 1 to
1 2 1.
no
1
1 2 3
1
to 1
3 2 1, ma'am.
1 2 3 to 1. Next
Next one
1
is
2
1
3.
1
1
2
2 3
4
4 2
3
1.
1
4.
2 3 4 3 2 1.
3 2 1. Very good. Next one
1 2
1 2
3
3
4
4
5
5
3 2 1.
4
4
3
3
2
2 1.
1
1 2 3
3
4
4
5.
5 4
5
3 2
4
1
3 2 1.
Yeah. Very interesting logic thing, children. You can develop many things also here. You can develop some more things. Another pattern you see, this is one interesting pattern. Children love this pattern. Actually, when we are making learn in lower classes also, they will write many numbers. The complete page also, if not enough also, they will continue that pattern. Then little later we will tell them to stop. Enough, we understand. Another interesting pattern you see here, 7 square. You see 7 square, how we supposed to write, children?
49.
49
49.
So 67 square.
Ma'am, last it should
67 square also.
Ma'am, last digit will be 9.
409
No,
409
no. Come on. 4489.
Yes, ma'am.
4489. We know that how to find square numbers also easily, right, children?
Ma'am, all the last digits are 9 and first digits are 4, ma'am.
This is 49, this is 36, here 6, 7, 6, 2 are 12, 12 7s are, 12 7s are how much, Nana?
Ma'am, 84.
84
Now you have to write 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 12, 12, 14, 14 means 1 carry over, it's nothing but 4, 4, 4, 8, 9, correct, Nana? Next number, the same way 6, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7 square.
Ma'am, it will be 4 4 4
Ma'am,
8
4 4
8
4
9.
8
4
9.
4 4 7 8 9.
No.
Ma'am, it will be 8 8 9.
ఇక్కడ 1 4 రిపీట్ అయింది నాన్న. నెక్స్ట్ టైం 2 4s రిపీట్ అయ్యాయి. ఇక్కడ 3 4s repeat
3
అయ్యాయి.
4s.
3
So
4.
ఇక్కడ 1
2
Then
8s and
8
9.
2
8 9.
8s.
8 8 9 2 times repeat అయింది. Yes, very good. The same way you go with another pattern 6 6 6.
4 4
Ma'am,
4
Ma'am,
4
4
8 8
times
8
4
9.
triple 8 9.
Yeah,
ma'am,
4
4
times
4s.
4.
3 8s.
4
1 9.
3 8s and 9.
9. Yes, children, you can develop like that. There are many interesting fun facts you have. You can able to find.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am. In the calculation which you did on the side, in 10's place 8 is there, no, ma'am.
Hmm.
How did we get the 8, ma'am?
That's why the fun is in being able to find out why it happens. You have to see, children. Maybe it would be interesting for you. You're supposed to explore and think about it, so you can make your own patterns. So you have to think what is happening here. Please try it. What is happening here?
Ma'am, is it like 6 into 7 plus 1? 48, like that?
Please, what you said? 6 into 6 into
Ma'am, is it like that? 6 into 7 plus 1, 48. So we took 48 like that?
7 square.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am. Like 4 plus 4, we wrote 8.
Okay.
And here 6 plus 8, we get 14. Here we wrote 4, and up of the 3, we write 1. And 3 plus 1, we got 4.
Once again, repeat. I will write on the screen. Yes, Siddharth.
Ma'am, last number of 49, we have to write 9, ma'am.
Okay.
And in 49, we have to take 4. And in 84, we have to take last number 4. 4 plus 4, we get 8. So we have to write 8.
Okay. Is it work for all the numbers? What is the logic behind this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
If we add 6 plus 8, we'll get 14.
But
So we'll write 4.
Siddharth, I didn't understand what you are telling. Please, can you repeat once again? What is the logic you are finding? Even I didn't get.
Ma'am, what I understood is,
Yeah.
what I understood is, I'll give for the last number.
Okay.
There are 4 digits, so there'll be 4 4s.
Okay.
And there is 3 6, so there'll be 3 8s and 9, because 7 into 7 is 49, and last is
Unit
is
6 is 9, like that you are telling. Okay,
Yes,
this is your observation. It is happening like that. But how children name? How children supposed to know whether only 4 will get or not, like that? Of course, 49. You can start 4 4.
Ma'am, we can try with any other number. Like here we took 7, so we can do 8, and then 78, then 778. We can try.
Children, this is really funny thing. You can find for the pattern for the numbers 6 6 6. How many 6? 6 6 6 6. 1 2 3
4 5 times, 8 4 times, and 9 1 time.
Yeah, what is the pattern for this? Can you please?
Ma'am, 4 5 times, 8 4 times, and 9 1 time.
4 5 times, 8
4 times.
8 4 times, and 9 1 time. No, here how many?
No, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, it will be
you have to
7 4. Ma'am, it will be 7 4s.
Very good, very good, very good.
6 8s
There are
and 1
7
9.
numbers.
6.
Yes, ma'am.
6 8s
Very,
and 1 9.
very good. She understood the logic. Very good. 6 6, then 9. Right. Right.
Ma'am, I also understood, ma'am, the logic, ma'am. It's just that, ma'am, like I wasn't able to find the like how many 4 and 8 will be there sooner, ma'am.
Yeah, please give for this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 6 6, not 6. Already 6 we wrote. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 6 7 square.
8 4
8
7
4
8
7
and
8
8
1
and 9.
6
8 4
7
7
9.
8 and 9.
9.
8 4 7 8 and 9.
Very good, Nana. Now you understood the logic. 8 fours. 1 2 3 4 8 fours. And how many 8s? 7 8.
7.
7 8 and 1 9.
7
7 8 and 7, 8.
1, 9.
1, 9.
Right. This is the way you can try this. You can, children, really, you're getting fun to do this pattern of numbers. You're making very interesting.
Can you
to it.
explain again?
Yeah. I saw some of the group 1 examination, the last pattern, what is given, this last pattern. This pattern is given for group 2 examination last 2 years back, children. The same pattern is given. The same pattern is given. There is another question. So write the square numbers making use of the following. Let me test that part also. You can try this, children. This is also most interesting.
Ma'am, can you tell that 3-digit squaring technique?
We will go. We will go. Just a minute. We will go.
Akash is asking, can you explain it again?
Sure,
Re-explain.
sure, Akash. This is 1, 1, 1. How many ones? It is 6 ones. 6 ones square. 1 square. How we did, children? Earlier, 6 ones square. What is 6 ones? Suppose 5 ones means 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
1,
5,
2,
4,
3,
3, 2,
4,
1.
5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hi, 4. Yes, ma'am.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Like that you can.
Yes, ma'am. It looks really easy, ma'am.
Very interesting.
Like,
But only when you know this pattern, only you will understand. You will get direct answer, or else you can.
Ma'am, what if there are 10 ones and 10 ones is square one?
Ma'am,
You try.
ma'am,
Then
with
1,
the
2,
number
3,
of
4, 5,
ones,
6,
we need
7,
to
8,
go
9, 10, 9, 8,
1
7,
to
6, 5, 4, 3,
10 and
2, 1.
then 9 to 1. Like that.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
Suppose
1, 2, 3,
listen,
4, 5,
listen,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 10,
Don't
11.
interrupt.
Like that.
Don't interrupt the class. Listen. Suppose there are some student is asking. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones square means how I should write. If
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
1 0.
Ma'am, can I
10, we can
Ma'am,
add 1
6
plus
is there
0.
means we are
Yes,
going
ma'am.
with 6. So if there are 10 ones is there means how we should go. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
10, 9, 8, 9, 8,
7,
7.
7, 6,
We
5,
write
6,
4, 3,
5,
2, 1.
4, 3, 2, 1.
You can
Ma'am, is
check,
this correct, ma'am?
you can check even in your calculator whether it is getting or not. I don't know whether it is getting or not. I'm not sure.
Actually, the calculator is showing the answer in the form of exponent.
Yeah. Exponential form it is showing. Okay. That's all, children. These are the different interesting patterns. I'm not going much more.
Ma'am, in the calculator, it is showing something like E plus 18. What is that?
Yes, ma'am.
E means
It's
error.
exponent.
It won't.
And E means exponent.
No. It's an error. It's not an exponent. Maybe that many digits. It is not. You can try.
Ma'am, I did 10 times 1 into 10 times 1. So it's
Ma'am,
showing
actually it's mean
1.23
exponent
and E
only,
plus
ma'am, because
18.
in the Google if you type like speed of light and also it will also show like 10e2. That means 10 exponent 2 and all.
10 exponent to 2 means 10 square, right, Nana? 10 square is value.
Yes, ma'am, it's like that only in the calculator. When I have also checked, I mean, I was confused that it is error or not. Then I also checked, ma'am, the answer is.
I'm thinking error, children. I'm thinking it is error. It is not. Maybe it is not.
Ma'am, it is showing 1.23
Yes, ma'am.
4,
E-
5, 6, 7, 9, 0 E plus 18.
That is okay. That's fine.
Yes, ma'am, correct.
That's correct.
Correct.
That's exponential form is given. That is correct. Okay,
Yes,
children,
Ma'am,
can we start our exercise?
E means exponent.
Yes, exponential form only. Right, Akash. Only 10 square means it is wrong, children. 10 exponent by 2 means it is wrong.
It only comes till 9 ones.
Exercise 6.1 we will start.
Ma'am, I think that instead of 10 in the 10th digit, we need to write only 0.
You check it and come with your answer tomorrow. Don't interrupt now.
Okay,
What will
ma'am.
be the unit digit? What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following numbers? I want units digit, children. 81. What will be the unit?
Ma'am, 1.
Ma'am, 1. Ma'am, 1.
Yes. Unit digit is, if you square these numbers, unit digit is 1 only, because 1 square is always 1. The same another bit. So 272.
Ma'am, 4.
4.
Yes, the another bit is you just put in a chat box, children. Don't shout. 799. Ritvik, are you there, Ritvik? Ritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the units place for 9? 799. If you square that 799, what is the units place of that number?
Ma'am, 18.
No, ma'am. 1 is the answer. 1.
One
81.
answer. 1.
Units place means 9 square 81, but only we are taking units place means 1 only, children, right? Very good, already given by the student in the chart. Good.
Yes.
Next, you can use like that, children. Chart if you are using, there is a lot of noise.
Ma'am, this is because just below the units place we take a cross or a 0 in multiplication.
Okay. Next number is 5 6 2s. If I want to square 6 2s, what is the
Ma'am,
units place?
after this, can we go with quiz? We have only 15
Yes,
minutes
we will.
left.
Ma'am, it will be 4.
Yes, children, listen. We will complete the exercise so that we can start our quiz. Next one, fifth one. You see the units place so that you can write for all the numbers, children. I'm not doing for all. Please, for 2 you are writing 4. For 9 you are writing 1. For 2 once again 4. For 1 you are writing 1. And the same way you can go. There are units place as 6, 7, 8. Even all numbers you are having. So just please complete the exercise.
Ma'am, if 1, then it will come 1, ma'am. If 2, it will come 4. If 3, we will get 9, ma'am. If 4, 6, ma'am. 5 means we will get 5. 6
Five.
means
That's
6.
why. Right.
7 means
5. 1 means units place. 1 means your square number. 1.
1.
Yeah, you will get
1.
1. 2 means
2 means 4.
Three you'll
3
get
means
9.
6.
9.
4 you'll get 6.
6.
5 you'll get 5.
5.
5. 6 will get
6
again
you'll
6.
get 6.
7
Ma'am,
will
I have a
get
doubt, ma'am.
9.
Hello, ma'am.
8 will get 4.
4.
And 9 will get 1.
And you'll get 1.
Wait.
listen.
Ma'am.
Listen.
And 0 we will get 0.
Yeah. That's all. These are the 100 means. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. But for 2 numbers, we are getting 9, ma'am. For 3 and 7.
Yes, for 3 and
Ma'am, similarly for 4 and 6 we get 6.
oh yeah,
Yes.
4 and 6 we are getting 6.
Ma'am, 2 and 8 we
2
get
and
4.
1 8 we are getting 4.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 1 and 9
Ma'am, 1
we are
and 9
getting
we are
1.
getting 1.
Yeah, right.
Ma'am, that's like a pattern, ma'am. First 9, last
0 and 10 we are
one.
getting
Yes,
0.
ma'am.
Okay. It is also like a pattern only. Okay, any pattern you remember in your brain, children. Because if you remember, you are able to do some or else.
Ma'am, I have sent you all the answers.
Ma'am, can you
Correct
scroll up?
numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Give reasons. You're supposed to.
Ma'am, can you scroll up, please?
Children,
Ma'am, what, ma'am? Can you say again?
why I'm giving few numbers? It is not perfect squares. Can you please give the reason why? But don't shout in the classroom. You have to put in the chat box so that I can see your chat. If you shout means I'll remove from the group. Next,
Ma'am, done.
right. Second bit you see in the second bit, write the following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. These are the numbers are not perfect squares. Give the reason. I want you're supposed to give the reason. First number is 1057. You have to put in the chat box so that I'm writing the questions, all the questions on the screen. All together you give answers, children. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. Next, third bit is 7928. 7928. Fourth bit is yes, 2, 2, 2, 6 twos. 6 twos or 4 twos, and yeah, 6 twos. And fifth bit is given as a 64000. And the seventh bit is given as sixth bit is given as 89792. 89722. And the sixth bit, seventh one is given as triple two, triple two, 000. You should give reason to children why it is not perfect square. That reason I want. You can just mention, see the units place and mention that part. Next one 505050. This is 505050. These are the different numbers you have. You have to give why it is not perfect square. So, by seeing it seems just before also we know that what are the units places you are getting 1 4 1 1 4.
Ma'am, I sent you the answer.
Okay, 1 4.
Not even I sent you the answer.
Yes, let me. Ma'am, answers is simple because 2378 exactly 2378 are not coming in square number unit places. Then Akash is given as because numbers these numbers ends with 738200, so that very good. So these all numbers we are, yes, 0 you are getting right. And just a minute children, there are,
Ma'am, I have a trick
yeah,
by which we can identify if a number has only 1 and zeros.
odd
So how
number.
we can find out its square root?
Very good.
Ma'am, the number of
Yeah,
zeros.
yeah.
The number of zeros has to be,
Yeah, listen.
Yes, ma'am, the number of
and the
zeros
number of
has to
zeros
be
has to be
divided by
even.
2.
Exactly, Sahasra.
No, it has to be even.
Yes, it should be even. Ending numbers of zeros should be even. Very good, Sahasra. But
Yes,
here
ma'am.
it is odd. Very good. And Navyasri 1057. What is 10 Navyasri? Yes, Navyasri. What is 1057 Navyasri? Please. First number.
Perfect square, ma'am.
Is it a perfect square?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
Because it ends with 7, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Srihita, first one is ends with 7. Very good. Abhinav, ma'am, why we learned you, ma'am, why are we learning unit digit, ma'am? Yeah, by seeing it seems whether it is square numbers or not, we can find easily. Abhinav, are you there in the classroom? Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhinav, by seeing it seems we can find out whether the given number is a square number or not. So that we need to check only units digit.
I mean, because in exams we'll get questions like that. See
You
if
can
this is a
do the
perfect.
speed. You can do a faster way. You can answer the faster way.
Yes, ma'am. Time is also.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Pallav. 1 minute, Pallav. Let me check the students' answers. Second one, yes,
Okay.
ends with 3. Ritvik is given, ma'am, if the units place has a 2378, cannot be considered as perfect square. Wonderful. Very good. And Zoya, numbers ending with 3 is not perfect square. Very good. Jashmita is given 2378. Very good. This basic part you remember, children. 2378 will come at units place. Both those numbers are not perfect squares. Yeah, even same thing is given by Zoya. Very good. Shrihita is given as a third and fourth ends with 8 and 2. So that what Shrihita? So that can we try whether it is 8 means both are not coming, right? Shrihita? 4 and 8. 2378. 2378 cannot come in units place. So that here third bit ends with 8. So it's not perfect square. It's end with 2. Right now. Right. Nice answers are given by my students. Satvik is giving if number of 23790 in the units place so that it's not a
Ma'am, some of the numbers are considered as
No, Satvik, I want the clarification from you. You are giving 23790 at units places so that it is not a perfect square. If ends with 9 is a perfect, yes, 80. Suppose 49 is a perfect square, but it ends with 9 only, right?
No, ma'am, not by mistake. I think I wrote.
Okay, don't do.
I put right 8.
Yeah, 2378 only keep in your mind, children.
Instead
2378.
of 8, I wrote
Ma'am,
9, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Abhinav. Ma'am, actually, I did not
ma'am,
understand 3-digit multiplication. Can you tell once again? Right. Next, Srihita, 5th, 6th. Right. Very good, children. Good. Please do like that.
ma'am, can you tell about that 3-digit squares?
Next, 3-digit square numbers we will go
Ma'am,
there.
even I have a trick to find 3-digit square.
Yeah, we did. We already discussed. Let me check so that even I forget that.
But actually, I have a different trick. Different trick.
Yes, Akash, please share with me so that I. How to find the 3-digit square number? Suppose if you take 364. multiplied with 364. You can use this very simple, children. 364, 364, you have to write one upon. First, you have to multiply units. Step 1 is multiply units place. Multiply units place. Here, 4 multiplied with 4. It's a 16. So 2-digit number, you are writing 6 here. 1 is taken as a carry over to next step. Coming to the second step, units and tens, you have to do cross multiplication. What is units and tens here? 6 into 4. And
6 for the 24.
24.
Same way,
Plus 6 into 4
20
and plus 1.
48.
4 plus 48. 48 plus previous digit carry over is 1. So 48 plus 1 is 49. You write
9.
9 here, carry over thought to next step. Next, the other step is, what is the other step? Unit.
Tens place and hundreds place.
Tens place and
cross
hundreds place.
multiplication.
Yeah. Tens place and
3
hundreds
into
place.
4.
Yeah. No, tens place, not units place. Units place and units place and.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, it's units place and hundreds place.
Long cross, children. Second, the third step, long cross you have to take. That means units and tens. So 3 4s are
3 into 4
3 4
plus 3 into
3
4.
into 4 equals to 24.
12 plus
24.
12 plus 12.
24
plus
4.
4. 28.
4. That's nothing but 28. You have to write 8.
8 and
8
carry
and
over
2
2.
will be carry over.
Then
And then
6 into 6.
hundreds and tens place.
Yes, hundreds and tens. So
6 into 3 and 3 into 6.
Ma'am, 36 plus 2, that is 38.
not only that, we have to do this part also in this case, Mama.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
6 into
square.
6, 36.
Into 6 also you have to do. And
It will be 18 plus 18 plus 36.
18 plus 18 plus 36.
Ma'am is 36 plus
36
36.
plus
72.
36.
72 plus 2, 74.
72 carry over is 2, it's nothing but 74.
74.
74.
Write 4 and carry
4
over.
here, right? 7 will be carry over.
That's all. That's
And then
last step
3
is
into 3, 9.
3 3s are
9 plus 7.
9.
3 3s are 9.
16. 1 6 4 8 9 6.
Carry over is 7 here. So that it's 16.
16.
1 6.
This is the way you can find easily, children, the square numbers of 3 digits with 3 digits. 2 digits anyway. This we can call it as crisscross method also, children. Crisscross method.
Ma'am, but the answer in calculator it is 134,896.
Ma'am, I think it is
134,296.
coming like that because
No, once again you clear it and do once again 364 multiplied with 364.
Okay, ma'am.
ma'am, I think we need to do 6 squares separately.
Ma'am, it's 1132496.
1 3.
2496.
Ma'am, we actually, ma'am, in this, ma'am, in the third step, we need to do the long cross. Ma'am, that time we need to do 6 into 6, but then we did it for the fourth step.
In second step only.
Yes,
Ma'am means we need to do 49 plus 12.
No,
Oh, sorry, 49 plus 36.
First step is this. Second step is this. Third step means we are going to long cross. Right? Long
Yes,
cross.
ma'am. Ma'am, while doing the
Long
long
cross
cross,
and the middle terms multiplication, ma'am.
yes, ma'am, we did not do that. But then for the next step, we did that, which was the wrong method.
Okay, long cross. Here
Ma'am means we need to do 49 plus 36.
So that here what you are getting 28 plus 20,
74. 74.
no 28 plus 36. Right? Here only you're supposed to add means 36 only extra part here.
Yes, ma'am.
Here if you are getting 36 means what is carry over here? More 4 plus 6 0. It's nothing but 5 plus
74.
64. 64, right?
Ma'am, do we have to do? Okay.
64 only, Mama. 64. You are writing 4 here. 6 you are covering. The next 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18.
36.
36.
36 plus
36.
36 plus 6.
Ma'am, 42.
32.
42.
So 2 you have to write. Maybe it is correct, children. If you are doing like that, you will get correct answer. Right, right. Yes. Now 42 means 2. You are writing. The rest of the part multiplied 3 into 3. Carry over is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. Right. You can try it, children. I didn't do correct procedure. Once again, let me write the same way. 300 and what is the number we are taking? 324 multiplied with 324. Same thing, you have to start 4 4s are 16. 1 is carryover. Small cross you have to do. Small cross means small
Cancel in
2
one's
into 4
place.
and 2 into 4, which is 16. 8 plus 8, 16.
16 plus 6
Plus 1.
17.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am, already.
17, right? 17. So that the next step is third step what you are supposed to do, children?
Long
2
cross.
into 2. Oh, long cross.
A long cross means what you
3
are
into 4, 3 into 4 and 2 into 2.
Okay, 3 into 4 multiplied with 3 into 4. So that
Ma'am, it will be 12 plus 2 into 4.
12 plus middle
Plus
is
4.
Ma'am is 28 and 28 plus 1, 29.
29. So you have to write 9 here, 2 is carry. Next short cross.
And 3 into 2.
Short
That will
cross.
be 6 plus 6.
Plus 6.
Ma'am, I got the
Ma'am,
answer, ma'am.
carry 14.
12 plus 2, 14.
12 plus 2, 14.
Next.
Ma'am, and then 3 into 3.
9 plus
9 plus 1, 10.
9 plus 1, 10, 1, 0. 104, 976.
324 multiplied. Once you check, Sahu, please check in the calculator.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
also
ma'am, the
did
answer
it,
is
ma'am.
Ma'am, it is correct. Ma'am, it is correct.
When
Ma'am,
you
I can do this multiplication right in my mind only, ma'am.
when you're supposed to long calculation, you're supposed to add in that middle step. When you're adding means in the long when you're taking a long cross, that time you have to add up. That is only the thing you're supposed to remember. Once you forget about everything, you can try for another numbers, children. 526 multiplied with 526. So that first step you are multiplying 6 multiplied with 6. It's 36. 6 you are writing, carryover is 3, then cross multiplication. 12 plus 12, 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 3 is 27. So write 7. Next long cross. Long cross means 6 5s are 30.
Ma'am, 5 into 6 and 5 into 6 we have to add.
30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 4, 64.
64 plus 2.
68.
68. So 8 you're supposed to write, 6 is carry over, children. Then only the short cross. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 26. So 6 you are writing, 2 you are taking 3. 5 5s are
Ma'am, the answer is going wrong, ma'am. Ma'am, the answer is going wrong, ma'am. I got the answer already, ma'am.
What is that answer? 5 5s are 25 plus 27, right? The same procedure only we are doing.
Ma'am, the answer that's wrong, ma'am. It's 276676. Not 876 at last.
That only we are getting 876.
Ma'am, instead of
Ma'am, not 876, ma'am. It should be 676 at last, ma'am. 276 676.
Where we are doing mistake then? So first step 6 6 are 36. Cross is
Ma'am, that only I said it's not 68, it's coming 66. In the step besides that, it comes to 6676.
It is 66.
Yes, ma'am, it's not coming 68, it's 64 plus 2. However, it,
Okay. Maybe addition of that 2 number. Yes, so 64 plus 2, 66.
I think the time is
Be
up.
careful, children. You should be, while you are doing the sum, you have to careful. 728 multiplied with 728, you have to try it, then we can leave the 64. Number of sums you should practice, children. One day means again you will forget the same thing. 16.
ma'am, then 8 to the 16 plus 16, 32 plus 6
32
means
plus
38.
38. So 8 you are writing 3.
Write 8 and carry 3.
Long cross.
Then 7 8 is 56 plus 56, 112 plus 3.
1 not. 115.
Ma'am, 112.
Oh,
112.
okay. 112 plus 115. So 115 means
Yes.
5 you are writing. 11 is carryover. Then no. Again you're supposed to add up 2 plus
Ma'am.
2 plus 2 floor means 119.
Yes, ma'am.
9 you have to do.
9 you need to.
11 is carryover.
Yes, ma'am. 9, ma'am.
11 is carryover. Then same thing. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 28 plus 11, 28, 38, 39. 39 means 9 you have
Again 9 and carry
9
over
will be, ma'am.
49.
9 and then carry
Ma'am,
over.
then 7 sevens are 49 and then 49 plus 3, 52. Ma'am, the answer is correct.
52.
529984.
529984.
Please practice, children. Please practice. Don't waste time. Please practice because students, as a student, you have a lot of memory in your brain. Please practice this. Practice only makes perfect. If you are every day, if once again the same timing, you are wasting your. You have to practice with a 3-digit. Take any 10 numbers and try it in your rough book so that permanently store in your brain. Don't leave. Again tomorrow, ma'am, you have to.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can do these multiplication also fast, ma'am. Like without even losing, I mean, using that trick, ma'am.
Yeah, because you are practicing many times so that you can even these students will practice means they will also do right
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
see you.
I can find the answer out within seconds.
Okay, please come on, give this answer. 928 multiplied with 928 in 30 seconds. Come on, Shreya, your time starts now. I'm counting, please give it. Someone please use your counter.
Ma'am, I got the answer, ma'am.
Yes, what's your answer?
Ma'am, the answer I got is 861184.
Ma'am, just check whether she's having any
861184.
calculator on the table.
Yeah, children, use your brain, not your calculators. Yes, is it correct, children? What you are doing?
Ma'am, it's correct. That's why I said to see.
Yeah, no. Maybe she is practicing from long days so that it is possible, children. That's why practice makes.
Ma'am, I know the tables up to 20, ma'am, and that's the reason, ma'am.
Very good. Good job. Please practice, children. That's all for the day. Tomorrow we'll. What's today homework? Can you do in your NCERT books and practice some, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am, will do.
So that we can go ahead. There is a because.
Ma'am, can you tell which questions we should complete?
Yeah, what is the page number we are doing now? Please tell the page number so that we can give that.
96.
Yeah, 96. Open your page number 1 or 2, children. Sorry, it's 1 or 2. Please, page number 96. Already we completed, right, ma'am? Not yet completed.
Ma'am, exercise 6.1.
Yeah, exercise 6.1, please complete it. Everything patterns are there. Observe the following patterns and write the leftover parts and fill the blanks. 4th, 5th, 6th, even 7th is pattern, 8th one, 9th one.
Ma'am?
Yes, first exercise, children. Exercise 6.
Ma'am, is this Wise app using Zoom only? Because Zoom has an update in which that participants, it shows that how many are there about that only.
Yeah, same thing. Same Wise app is nothing new, children. It is.
Ma'am, but Wise app, if it is using Zoom, then how can we connect to the 2 meetings at a time?
It's only some part of application, children. It is enriches that Zoom. That's all.
Wise app is an app which will allow us to join through Zoom, ma'am.
Yeah, it's only Zoom, but some more extra features can be added by Wise.
No, ma'am. Actually, Wise might have taken from the permission from Zoom to make similar app, because I had another meeting on Zoom and I just checked that whether the teacher has started recording, because I would have unable to attend that class. So I was able to join 2 classes at a time. That means this Zoom is any another software.
Okay, maybe.
Ma'am, even the fonts are different. In this one, Wise one Zoom, the leaf comes in complete capital, but in the actual Zoom, only first letter is capital. Some differences are there.
Okay. Maybe some Something is maybe a developed part is by.
Yes, ma'am.
You see, there are many features like test, especially test and student attendance and scheduled timings and the children joining time, everything attendance also we can see here. How much time the meeting is happening also we can see.
Ma'am, one time when I joined the class through WhatsApp, ma'am,
Okay.
it will not be like Zoom.